Good morning, dear parents and friends and teachers. What go around comes around, keep the circle positive. Say kind word to good deeds. These are the little things which we all will need. और तो सुनाया. Oh God, make me a good child, honest and truthful, hardworking and careful, courageous and fearless. Teach me to know you, to love you in all that I think and do. We thank you, Lord, for happy hearts and rain and sunny weather. We thank you, Lord, for you gave us food and that we are together. Teach me to know you, to love you in all that I think and do. Oh God, make our school a place of love and hard money. Bless our GOENKA family and keep us all in unity. Teach me to know you, to love you in all that I think and do. Over to Savi. Affirmations motivate us to act, concentrate on our goals, help us feel positive about yourself. Please repeat after me. I am happy and healthy child. I live in myself. I am grateful to my family. I have my teachers and I have my school. I am truly blessed. Rub your palm, place them on your eye, open your eyes. You are ready for a bright and a happy day. Over to you, babe. January 25th was the 73rd Republic Day of India, celebrated with high spirit. The senior student assembly presented assembly on the same with great enthusiasm. Over to Ian. बॉन्डिंग टाइम से हुई शुरुआत, एक दूसरे से हुई मुलाकात, जाना और पहचाना एक दूसरे को, भाई हुई ना बात. एनहांसमेंट एंड एनरिचमेंट अब रीडिंग की बारी, हर काम करने की हमने की तैयारी. ओवर टू रेवान. वह वो इज्जत छोटे को प्यार, यही गोइंका से जूता बोलना मिलजुल के रहना, ये गोइंका के संस्कार. जी गोइंका. नमस्ते.
सेट प्यार.
I am working hard. This I created and my reward. This is a wooden puppet, so cute and small. Let me name it as Pinocchio. I wish he grew tall. I'm a little fairy who flies so high. I'm like kids who don't tell lies. You know our climate, I grant your wish. Keep on working hard without any hitch. Geppetto was very happy to see the puppet alive. He wanted him to go to school
after Genga I5. In school, he'll learn to be generous and sincere. All these values he'll learn along with his peers.
And I reached to school. He made some words and another son. They asked him, let's not edit open. Let's go together and watch Puppet Show. We will be back before the star glows. Pinocchio the wooden boy. He treats him like a little boy. He gets him in a cage, put him on the stage. The one song waits. Fairy appeared and said why he's here. Something went wrong. He's not there. Someone, when I went to school, someone trapped me and broke my toe. He lied to the fairy. Then his nose started to grow.
Everybody knows when Pinocchio's nose grows and grows. Everybody knows when Pinocchio's nose grows and grows. He's telling a lie, and everybody knows about Pinocchio's nose.
My little boy, I know why you are crying. Your nose grew tall because you are lying. Fairy freed him from the cage and gave him a chance to live again. Respecting elders, always telling truth and not telling lies. All these values will take you far by. Let's clap for our friends. The teaching us values is such an easy way. Was it awesome? What do you say? She's a mentor. She's a strong sailor. Her smile is like $1 million. She charms everyone around and always on her toes like merry-go-round. So let's welcome our dearest Shishti ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Avisha. Great job, my dear children. Well done. Our young learners of nursery have given us some very useful tips based on how to lead a meaningful and happy life. And we have so many takeaways from this assembly. A very good afternoon, dear children, parents, and teachers. Today, our Goenkans shared with us how to lead a happy and fulfilling life. The story of Pinocchio taught that when we lead our life with honesty and truthfulness, we would always succeed in life. So, sanskars, to my mind, can be best defined as a set of values, principles, practices that we inherit from our family, from our culture, from our religion, and even some from the history of our nation. So, they are in effect the essence of all good that that we have been taught or learned from experience, which is being passed down from one generation to another. So most sanskars are actually, if we talk about the sanskars, they are transferred through an example. Sense of integrity, being sensitive to others, making the right choices, taking responsibility for one's own behavior, and so on. But if we may talk about today's society, it is getting more and more nuclear, I would say, these days, with families becoming really small. And grandparents seldom stay with the families. The treasure troves of ideals, cultural values, warmth, and affection. So, along with the parents, it becomes a great responsibility of the school to help children imbibe the right set of values. And if I may talk about our school ecosystem, values like owning up to one's mistakes, apologizing, compassion, hard work, taking responsibility, respecting others, being truthful and honest are all truly appreciated. Taking this forward, we will be focusing more on the behavior and the conduct, the values and the skills that revolve around taking care of one's own self, the people around us, and the environment. So, in order to develop the instinct that leads us in the right direction to maximize our happiness in life. So, to carry this forward, our Goenkans are all getting ready for their project on eco ethics towards a sustainable future that the entire world is talking about, the SDGs. I would like to quote Gandhiji here, and he said, and I quote, Earth has enough for human needs, but not for human greeds, unquote. So these lines of Mahatma Gandhi are so relevant in today's context as they reflect upon how human behavior destroys the nature and how a sustainable way of living is the need of the hour. It holds relevance in the current scenario as people really live the lavish, lifestyles and destroy the resources recklessly, actually indebting the future generations. So we are trying to add some interesting extensions to our curriculum so that our young learners become more independent and responsible by taking greater responsibility of their own learning. They become more helpful and they are willing to share. We are trying to add interesting extensions to our curriculum so that our young learners become more independent, responsible, and helpful, and learn to share, learn to be courageous, and share their own opinions with confidence, and become innovative by freely expressing their ideas, um, so that creativity becomes an integral part of the Goenka's day-to-day life. As shared earlier, we have been, extensively using the method of storytelling and encouraging the children to read in order to help instill some important values in life in an easy to understand way. So, education, I would say, is not merely pouring information into a student's head. The true education is awakening in the students a method for acquiring knowledge through his or her own powers, providing the student with the key to unlock the storehouse of knowledge. So, as a school, I would say that we are aiming to open, show, and awaken, and also help our children to enter the storehouse of knowledge. I'm sure, dear parents, you are with us in this journey of our Goenkans as they are learning to learn. So, with a heart filled with gratitude, once again looking forward to your support to achieve the same. Together, we can ensure that our children are happy and content in life and add value to society as they grow up to be responsible individuals. So, be truthful to yourself, my dear children, be responsible, be happy, stay active, stay safe, stay fit, and healthy. Thank you so much for joining us on this virtual platform for today's assembly. Have a great good day ahead. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, Sati ma'am, always motivating us. Coming together is big win. Keeping together is progress. Working together is success. Thank you all. Join with us to the day and have a great day.
Hold the hands of the friends on either side of you, and don't let go at all. It's what we all should do. It's only holding hands, but it means so much. We're filling buckets with just a simple touch. Let's be bucket fillers, that's what we all should be. Our bucket is invisible, it's really make-believe. there's no doubt in what a kind act can do. It makes someone feel good, then comes right back to you. When we're kind, we fill our bucket. When we're nice, we fill yours too. When we help, we fill our bucket. When we smile, we fill yours too. Keep holding hands and sway from side to side. We feel much better now, and we know why. It's only holding hands, but it means so much. We're filling buckets with just a simple touch. When we're kind, we fill our bucket. When we're nice, we fill yours too. When we help, we fill our bucket. When we smile, we fill yours too. Keep holding hands and standing straight and tall. Bring your arms up real high and don't let go at all. It's only holding hands, but it means so much. We're filling buckets with just a simple touch. When we're kind, we fill our bucket. When we're nice, we fill yours too. When we help, we fill our bucket. When we smile, we fill yours too. Keep holding hands and shout, hip hip hooray. Let's celebrate filling our buckets today. When you wake up tomorrow to start your day, refill your bucket with all you do and say.